Are you tired of paying hefty sums just to create visuals using Midjourney? Today on TechWhoop, I have my favorite top 9 Midjourney alternatives that I use almost daily to create stunning visuals, and they never disappoint. With so many free AI tools, it's hard to analyze which ones are better. No need to worry, I've spent hours curating this list and bringing the best ones to you. Don't miss the last one, as it's almost a dupe of Midjourney. My go-to Midjourney alternative, which I almost always use, is the Ideogram. Ideogram is an AI-powered platform that allows you to create stunning visuals, from logos to 3D rendered text typography. Imagine crafting a logo as captivating as the Takumi home or even a 3D version of your favorite character, like Baby Yoda, with just a few clicks. Ideogram offers a wide range of templates and examples to get you started. You can see what others have created and draw inspiration for your own designs. Signing up on this platform is super easy. You can quickly sign up with Google. The interface is user-friendly, and you'll find yourself navigating through the trending page, discovering various designs, and experimenting with different styles in no time. It's a fantastic tool that can help you bring your ideas to life in ways you never thought possible. If you found this alternative helpful, then like and subscribe to TechWhoop. Let's move on to another amazing Midjourney alternative, SeaArt AI. One of the best things about SeaArt AI is its user-friendly interface. If you find a picture you like, you can simply click on it, hit the remix button, and you're in the studio ready to make your own images. With just a few clicks, you can generate almost the exact same picture you admired. SeaArt AI's use of open-source models sets it apart from other AI image generation tools. You can choose from a variety of models, like epic realism, and even add a layer of fine-tuning with options like Allura to create the exact image you want. Plus, you can adjust image quality and size and even restore faces for better results. But you might be wondering, are all these features free? Well, you get 150 credits daily. That's right, your credits reset every day, allowing you to generate a bunch of images. SeaArt AI includes advanced tools like image-to-image, ControlNet, face swap, and upscale. Next up is another incredible alternative, Playground AI. It's considered the best fully featured AI image generator, and the best part, it's 100% free. Playground AI stands out with its unique features and user-friendly interface. It's packed with tools allowing you to make large-scale changes, erase objects, and swap locations in your images. Plus, you can use your imagination to add new elements to your creations. Getting started is super easy. Just head over to Playground AI's website, log in with your Google account, and you're good to go. No credit card details required. And if you're new to the platform, there's a fantastic tutorial to help you get acquainted with the Playground AI canvas. But that's not all. Playground AI offers a free option that allows you to create up to 100 images per day. For those who need more, Pro and Turbo versions are available. Plus, you can use the images commercially, making it a great tool for creators and businesses. Now, let's talk about some of the cool features. With Playground AI, you can experiment with different styles using filters, expand the detail of your prompts, and even generate multiple images all at once. The platform also supports various models, with Stable Diffusion XL being a top recommendation. For our example today, I'm creating an image of a panda riding a snowboard through fresh powder snow. I can extend the image and add more details using the image-to-image feature and the Generative Expand tool. And if there's anything you want to erase, the Object Eraser tool makes it simple. Next up is Leonardo AI, a standout platform in AI image generation. Signing up is easy, and you're instantly part of a community sharing royalty-free images. Leonardo AI offers tools like AI image generation and AI Canvas. You can start with 150 daily tokens on the free plan, creating images from textual prompts. Customize your creations with options like Photorial for realistic images, and define your prompt with details like the subject, background, and mood. Editing is super easy with AI Canvas. You can upload images, add elements with sketch and text, and use Draw Mask for precise AI modifications. The Erase tool allows you to merge details from one image to another for seamless integration. Continuing with our list of amazing Midjourney alternatives, BlueWillow AI is next. This platform allows you to try its AI artwork generator for free. Enter your prompt and hit Generate to see the magic unfold. Once inside, you'll notice the user-friendly interface. I experimented with the BlueWillow V5 model, and while I wasn't entirely satisfied with the initial result, it's worth noting that each new prompt costs 0.99 credits. With a starting balance of 10 credits, you have a few opportunities to experiment. Here's an example of an image generated with a different prompt. I must admit, I'm surprised by the quality. While BlueWillow was previously highly regarded, it seems to have slipped in the rankings. However, it still offers a unique experience for those looking to dabble in AI-generated art. Moving on to Bing AI, you've probably heard about it since it's been making waves with its chatbots. But today, I'm focusing on Bing's AI image generator as we're talking about Midjourney alternatives, which is equally impressive. For the best experience, access this feature through Microsoft Edge, a leading image generator AI developed by OpenAI. It's completely free to try, and you can sign in with your Microsoft account to start creating. Bing's image generator offers 15 boosts for quick image creation. After that, it may take longer, similar to other platforms like Midjourney or DALL-E. Let's test it out by asking it to surprise us with an astronaut dance party on the surface of Mars. The result is astonishing, with incredible attention to detail and a high-quality digital illustration. Now let's try something more challenging, like a four-man rock band wearing all black with a dark aesthetic performing for a huge crowd in HD with depth of field. The generator nails it, perfectly capturing the vibe and the band's details. You can also use this tool for creative projects like designing an album cover. For example, inputting prompts like Deftones album cover aesthetic, unicorn flying into the sun, Poseidon flying beside it, realistic, attention to detail, war in space, album cover yields an aesthetically pleasing design that's perfect for an album cover. Moving on, one of the best Midjourney alternative on my list is Adobe Firefly. This tool allows users to generate images for free and provides a gallery where you can go through others' creations. The new Firefly Image Beta offers a selection of options to tailor your creations. You can choose between aspect ratios and content types like photo or art. The visual intensity can be adjusted, and you can even match the style of an existing image. Adding effects such as layered paper or synth wave painting is easy, allowing for a unique touch to your images. The image quality in Firefly is impressive, and it doesn't stop at image generation. You can also check out other generative features like text effect, recolor, and text to vector. However, it's important to note the limitations of the free version. You start with a set number of generative credits, and each task consumes 1 credit. Once these are used up, a subscription to a paid plan is necessary to continue creating with Firefly. At last, I have StarryAI. StarryAI is an easy-to-use AI image generator that's gaining attention alongside other popular tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 2, and Stable Diffusion. With a somewhat limited free plan, StarryAI offers a straightforward sign-up process and a user-friendly interface. When you start creating with StarryAI, you're presented with clear options to choose the type of image you want to generate, such as a photo or illustration. This is a refreshing change from tools like Midjourney, where you have to specify your preferences in text prompts. In a live test, generating an image of a famous waterfall in Iceland was quick and simple. The process is live-streamed, giving you a real-time look at the interface and the tool's capabilities. Once the image is generated, you have options to view slight variations, choose your favorite, and even upscale the image for better quality. While the image quality might not be as photorealistic as some other AI image generators, StarryAI's ease of use is a significant advantage. The tool offers various styles and settings to customize your creations, although some options are reserved for paid plans. And that brings us to the end of our list of some fantastic Midjourney alternatives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for TechWhoop. Share your favorite AI art generator in the comments below, and I'll meet you in the next video.